Good morning kids. On yesterday's class we learned new lesson. We started the new lesson number 2. Numbers, 5-digit numbers we learned. Okay? 5-digit number, which is the smallest and the first 5-digit number? Number 10,000 is the smallest as well as the first 5-digit number. Yes, no? This we learned in our yesterday's class, and we learned the number as well as number names from 10,000 to 90,000 in a textbook. In today's class, we will learn reading of 5-digit number. Till now, we learned about the reading and writing of 4-digit numbers. How we wrote the 4-digit numbers? We made separation of thousands place, hundreds place, and one sentence both we together wrote. While coming to 5-digit number, what the rules we are having? Step by step I will teach you. No need to write. At first concentrate on the board now. Exercise 2.2 contains reading 5-digit numbers. How to read and how to write the number names of 5-digit number by the help of place value chart we will see. Okay? With the help of place value chart we will see how to read and how to write 5-digit numbers. At first, with one example, I will teach you at first how the digits are placed in the place value chart. Here we are having digit 1, 3, 2, 4, 7. How to read this number? 13,247. See children, here we already learned that these 5-digit numbers are separated by 2 periods. Ones period and thousands period. In ones period, we are having ones, tens and the hundreds place. While coming to thousands period, we are having 1,000 and 10,000 digits. At first, what we will do? We will write the numbers in the place value chart. Okay? What we are having in the ones place? Digit 7 we are having. What we are having in the tens? Digit 4 we are having. And in the hundreds place we are having 2. I will change the chalk piece. Here we are having 7 in the place of ones, 4 in the place of tens, and 2 in the place of 100, 3 in the place of 1,000, and digit 1 in the place of 10,000. Understood children? 1 in the 10,000 period, 3 in the thousands period, 2 in hundreds, 4 in the tens, 7 in the ones period. Now, we are having some steps to write the number names. What the steps means? We had to make separation of thousands period. Thousands period is it we had to write at first. Then we had to make separation of 100 separately and tens and ones together we had to write. How to write? See here. Step 1, thousands. How many thousands we are having? How many thousands we are having? See here. 1,000, 10,000 both we have to write. How many thousands we are having? 13. We are having 13,000. And how many hundreds we are having? 2 in the hundreds. And tens and ones both together we have to write. Tens and ones means we are having 47. See this. These steps we have to follow. What are the steps? We have to write separately thousands period at first. Means 10,000 and 1,000. Together we have to write as a 13. Next we have to make a separate of 100. At last both tens and ones together we have to write. And the number name, how to write the number names means first we have to follow the first step. How many thousands we are having? 13. What is the spelling of 13? THIRTEEN. 13 thousands we are having. 13,000. 13,000. And how many hundreds we are having? 200. 13,000. 247. First what we did? We We wrote capital letter T, 13,247. Directly we have to write answer FORTY, 40, SEVEN, 7. Once again concentrate on the board. Thousands period. While writing the number names, always write first letter with the capital. Remaining all I wrote with the small itself. See children, remaining all the letters means first letter of that word I wrote with the small itself. Only starting letter we had to write with the capital. It makes 13,247. Very easy we have it. Going to the question number 2. First we will replace in the place value chart. We are having digit 2 in the ones, digit 5 in the tens, 0 in the 100, 2 in the 1000, 3 in the 10,000 period. Separately we have to write. First thousands we have to write. How many thousand we are having? 32. THIRTY. 32 what we are having? 1000. 32,000. See here. What we are having in the hundreds place? 0. Is any necessary to write 0 100? No. If we are having 0 means skip writing 0. We have to leave the hundreds place. Why? Because we are having digit 0 in the place of 100. 0 has no value, so no need to write 0. Directly we will write as 58 together. Tens and ones place together we have to write. How? As a FIFTY, 50, ERGHT, 8, 58. 32,058. Very easy we will get. Next, first we will replace 7, 0, 4, 1, 5. First we have to write the thousands. Digit numbers. 50,000 we are having. FIFTY, 51,000. 51,000. And what we are having in the hundreds place? 4 we are having. So write down as 400. We did separation of 1,000, 100 separately we wrote. Now we have to write tens and ones place directly. We are having 0 in the place of tens, so no need to write. Directly we will write as a 7. What the spelling of 7? SEVEN, 7. Understood children? These 3 examples. We will see some more example in the textbook. The page number 97. Before going to open this textbook page, what we have to do? You have to copy down these 3 examples in your notebook. Then open the textbook page number 97. See children, page number 97 we are having. Reading 5-digit number. These 3 examples we already wrote on the board. See here, one hint they given. Do not write 0 hundreds. If you have 0 in the place of tens, ones, 100, 1000, anyway, don't mention as a 0. Directly we have to write the next number. Read these numbers and write their number names. One example I will show you. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. 1000 and 10,000 we had to write as it. Directly together we had to write as 11,000. ELEVEN. 11 THOUSAND. 11,000. We did what we did? Together we wrote 1000 and 10,000s. Now separately we have to write hundreds place digit. We are having 2 in a hundreds place. So write down as 2HUNDRED, 100. And what we have to do? This tens and ones together we had to write as 34. Together we had to write as 34 THIRTY, 30 FOUR, 4. 11,000 234 is the number name. Next 20, 20, 20, TWENTY, 20,000, 20,000. 4 in the hundreds place, write down as 400. Next, this together we had to write 08. Don't write as 0 tens, 8 ones. Directly we had to write as EIGHT 8. Next, we are having 32. THIRTY, 32,000. And what we are having in the hundreds place? 0 we are having. So no need to write the 0. Directly we will write as SEVENTEEN 17. What the number name here? 32,017. This is 46,000. We are having 0 in the ones, tens and the hundred. So no need to mention that. Just 46,000 is our number name. Like this, complete for the remaining number names. How many? 6 we are having. These are homework for you. Understood, children? Complete as the homework in the textbook. Tomorrow I will give the answer. You may check your answer with this answer. Okay, bye.